This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make salsa restaurant style, easy method. Roast tomatoes and chilies until charred, then cool briefly. Peel if desired, chop onion and cilantro, and add to a blender with lime juice and salt. Pulse to your preferred texture, tasting and adjusting seasoning as you go. Chill for 30 minutes to let flavors meld before serving with warm chips for a true restaurant experience. Begin by charring tomatoes and chilies until skins blacken and blister, then cool to handle. Remove stems and seeds as desired, roughly chop onion and cilantro, and add everything to a blender with lime juice and salt. Pulse in short bursts, checking texture frequently until you reach a chunky restaurant-style salsa. Taste and adjust seasoning, then transfer to a bowl and chill to let flavors marry before serving. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more recipes. On another note, droplets stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle. It's great for kitchen prep and busy days. Quick recommendation: it keeps drinks cold while you cook and looks great on the counter. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Brighten your salsa by adding lime juice after blending so the citrus flavor stays fresh. Start with 1 teaspoon of salt and increase gradually, tasting between additions. If tomatoes are overly acidic, a small pinch of sugar will balance the profile without sweetness taking over. Fresh cilantro and a splash more lime at the end lift the salsa, and chilling for 30 minutes helps the flavors integrate beautifully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.